Guess the animal by its favorite food. Which animal eats this? And, who eats this? This quiz has 20 questions, 4 levels, and the diet get weirder and weirder. Before we begin, if you enjoy animal challenges like this, don't forget to subscribe. Come on, let's jump into level 1, everyday diets. I spend 12 hours a day munching on nothing but bamboo. Who am I?
It's C, the panda.
I am famous for burrowing underground and chewing on crunchy carrots and garden greens. Who am I?
It's A, rabbit.
I use my incredible strength to rip thick bark right off tree trunks for breakfast. Who am I?
It's C, elephant.
I swing through the jungle canopy hunting for sweet, wild bananas to peel. Who am I?
It's D, monkey.
I break into wild beehives to steal fresh honey, completely ignoring the stings. Who am I?
It's B, honey badger.
Think that was easy? Let's move on to level 2, shocking menus. I eat eucalyptus leaves that are toxic to almost everyone else. Who am I?
It's B, koala.
I absolutely love eating super spicy chili peppers. Who am I?
It's A, parrot.
I rip open concrete hard mounds to swallow 30,000 insects whole every single day. Who am I?
It's C, anteater.
I filter muddy water to eat tiny shrimp and algae, which turns me pink. Who am I?
It's B, flamingo.
I dive down to harvest spiky, dangerous sea urchins, cracking them open with tools. Who am I?
It's D, sea otter.
Ready for something even stranger? Welcome to level 3, extreme eaters. I swallow heavy stones and rocks to grind up food inside my stomach. Who am I?
It's A, ostrich.
I gorge myself on toxic milkweed sap to become deadly to predators. Who am I?
It's C, monarch caterpillar.
I make a tiny cut on sleeping livestock to cleanly lap up liquid blood. Who am I?
It's C, vampire bat.
I unhinge my jaw to swallow whole deer and animals larger than my skull. Who am I?
It's B, python.
I drop skeletal remains from the sky to shatter them, then swallow. Who am I?
It's D, bearded vulture.
You've made it this far. Now it's time for the ultimate challenge. Level 4, the impossible feast. I travel thousands of ocean miles just to gorge on deadly, stinging jellyfish. Who am I?
It's A. Leatherback turtle.
I eat hundreds of venomous, stinging insects without a scratch. Who am I?
It's B. Horned lizard.
I sculpt poop into balls, roll them away, and eat them underground. Who am I?
It's C. Dung beetle.
I munch on nothing but dry, solid wood fibers. Who am I?
It's C. Wood roach.
I bite off rock-hard ocean coral reefs and crunch them down. Who am I?
It's D. Parrotfish.
Congratulations! How many out of 20 did you get right? Comment your score below, and if you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to subscribe for more animal quizzes. See you in the next one.